exhausted, feeling like your freaking job is literally sucking the life out of you. You get home, barely holding it together, but you know there's still a freaking long night ahead with kids, dinner, and everything else. I know that level of exhaustion where it feels like you're just trying to survive. Hi, my name is Michelle, mom of 2 kids, used to work 50 hours in corporate, was completely depleted, felt like I was losing myself bit by bit, was so freaking exhausted, and I was still struggling, living payday to payday. And I had to find a way how I could supplement my income working from home in my downtime. And this is when I found a program that literally taught me the skill, how to earn $900 in daily pay, working from my smartphone from anywhere in the world. And it's so beginner friendly. Anybody can do it. You don't need any kind of prior experience or be tech savvy or have a big following. All you have to do is just show up for yourself. 2 hours a day and just learn a skill, how to do digital marketing, now making me thousands of freaking dollars every month. This has not only just given me more income, it's given me my time back because I don't work 50 hours anymore. I don't have to because I've got the financial backup now. So if you want to learn exactly the blueprint that I have followed, then drop a yes in my comments. I'm going to get you the details.